Here we are in Sousse. We arrived after a 2-hour journey by private transfer. You can see it's still raining, and this rain is set to last until the early hours. Hopefully, we'll get some sunnier days and get to explore this beautiful area of Tunisia. For now, it's time to rest at the Hotel Sousana, and we're pretty happy with our choice so far.
We're here at Cafe Seles in Sousse, and I ordered grilled fish and coffee.
And I ordered chicken kebab, and Dad has ordered vegetable couscous.
The tuna brick has turned up, along with some bread, and we're just waiting for the mains here at Cafe Seles. Chicken kebab and grilled fish for Mirasol. Looking good here at Cafe Seles. And steaming vegetable couscous. We're enjoying our time here. The rain is not easing up here. Miras and Raf just finishing up at the Cafe Seles. We got a bolt here, and it took a while for it to be accepted, so difficult day, but let's close out our first experience and hope we find a way home to the Hotel Sousana.
Stormy day in Sousse. Waiting for calmer day so we can take a swim here.
The sun has returned to Sousse, and Miras and Raf are waiting here at Sousse railway station. We're so excited to travel today by train and hit the most famous Colosseum in the whole of North Africa. So we'll give you a full rundown of everything we find in El Jem. Exciting, so beautiful to see the blue skies again. Just a short delay and we're away. It's just about an hour today from Sousse to El Jem. Blue skies. Just an Arabic sort of skyline, so chugging away here shouldn't take us too long. So this is El Jem, and the train is going to Gabe's, and we'll be catching that on Saturday. But for now, let's head to the amphitheatre. So it's a real traditional Arab town, and the Colosseum is up ahead. Miras and Raf are heading to one of North Africa's most exciting destinations. Quick stop for a sandwich here, and looks particularly tasty with the traditional bread and eggs, tuna. Can't wait.
Beautiful here in El Jem.
Sandwich is really good, and now we're up to the Colosseum.
Yeah, it's a beautiful attraction here, the Colosseum, and just freely allowed to walk around for just 12 dinar. Slightly chilly here today, but we're going to explore for a while. Well worth visiting. definitely well worth visiting this attraction in El Jem. The Colosseum is just so large, and you can just freely walk around. So it's so special here. So cinematic here. Every corner. We've thoroughly explored the Colosseum, and it's going to go up and see one final layer, and then it'll be almost time to head back to Sousse, where we're hoping for another trip to Cafe Seles. Aren't we, Raf?
Yeah.
Mirasol's having a little camel ride. And just motorbikes everywhere. And the Colosseum behind her. Well, we're back here again at Cafe Seles. We've got the juices, and Raf's got his brick, and I've got a salad. We've just explored the Rabat of Sousse after getting back early from El Jem, and soon enough waiting for our main courses and then heading home. It's a beautiful view here, high above the city of Sousse, all the way to the sea. Doesn't get a lot better than this in Tunisia. So we're well on our way through the main courses. Mine, the vegetable couscous. Raf had steak, and Miras got the fish. Sunset's approaching, and it's almost time to head home after an incredible meal here at Cafe Seles. After last night's storm, Raf and I explored the beach, and now we're back at Sousse. A few waves coming in, and a long boulevard and a wintry sky.
I'm here in the middle of Sousse. Today I'm having my haircut and makeup Tunisian style.
So phase one is a haircut for Mirasol. And then some Tunisian style makeup later. Mirasol's makeup is almost finished, and we've had a small change of plan. Going to be doing a photo shoot here with Amir. Yeah. And we're excited to see the results. Just finishing up on the hairstyle here, so. Now it's a photo shoot time. Three. Okay, again. Nice, good. Close your eyes again. Close your eyes again. Head down a bit. And 3, 2, 1, go. Nice, good. Okay, we're gonna do the same. It's gonna be more with your full upper body. Nice. Again. Again. 3. Again, straight to the camera. 1. Nice. This is the one. Good. Perfect. Okay, good. Just a second. Nice. Yes. Nice. Again. 3, 2, go. Nice, good.
My makeup is finished and now I want to rest upstairs, ready for tonight, eating at Movenpick at Teppanyaki. Let me show you a room at Hotel Sousana. It's a triple bed, and the most important thing is the balcony. Look at this lovely view. Yeah.
After a day of makeup and video footage, Raf and I had a swim, and now we're off to the Movenpick for some Japanese. We're pretty excited for this evening meal. We're here at the teppanyaki. I've ordered some vegetables, and also we've ordered a sushi set to share. How about you, Raf?
I've ordered the chicken with fried rice.
And Miras?
I've ordered the seafood with Seles.
Great. Sounds good. Cooking is in progress here at the teppanyaki, and we have some seafood combo and vegetables.
So are you staying here?
Cooking process is almost there,
I really see that. Oh, if you have you want more?
and the cook is from Indonesia. We've got plenty of noodles and also
Noodle, right?
some beautiful chicken
Okay.
and vegetable
And
rice.
vegetable. Oh yes. Are you a vlogger?
So we went for a budget hotel here in Sousse. This is the Hotel Sousana. I've already shown you the room. This is the breakfast. All very acceptable, and even a selection of bread. Miras is finding her spot over there. Just a basic cafeteria style breakfast, and the hotel, £45 for 3 of us, including the food in the mornings per night. Great value. Behind me is Nabil from Tunisian Cooking, and Raf and Mirasol, and today we're hitting the market, and then we're spending the day with this family learning how to cook some Tunisian specialities. We'll see how we get on later. Here we are in the market. It's very, very loud here, and let's just see what we need to get for our day. So now, still so noisy in here. The fish and the meat. Gil has been showing us around, and the market is just absolutely full of the most wonderful fresh produce. And even down here, they've got, look at the ginger. and the fig. Just incredible experience so far here with Tunisian cooking. We're here in Nisa's kitchen, and Mirasol is slowly.
This is a special gift for Raf.
Okay. Raf is having, Raf has got a special gift, a cupcake, and Mirasol is slowly, with love, mixing the couscous.
Yeah, mix it. We cook with love. When you cook with love,
It's a great,
good cooking.
it's a great morning here at this wonderful residence where we're having our cooking class, and yeah, I mean, the kind of experience that we're having is just top class. Beautiful ingredients and a beautiful home with wonderful people. Raf is making his own cake, special cake, and meanwhile Mirasol is making her own special bread under the tutorage of our host today, Nisa, and her husband has just gone for Friday prayer.
I'm making bread.
I'm making cupcakes.
We're towards the end of the session, and this is adding the sauce to the couscous to bring it all together. So this is the last lesson, and this is the tuna brick, and it's a fried like sandwich. The bread, and we'll see the results shortly. It's time to eat with the family after a wonderful 3 hours of cooking. Let's eat. Just amazing to sit down and share some time. It's now the end of the day here at Sousse. We've had our cooking lesson and we're just watching the waves at the end of the storm here. And it's almost time to walk home. We don't have our surfboards, but if we did, we'd be out there. Here we are at the famous I Love Sousse sign, and heading now along the corniche. There really is a surge of surf here at the tail end of this storm. Probably some of the better waves you'll ever get here in Tunisia. In a famous area along the corniche. Look at the waves breaking in the distance and the people enjoying the weather after the rain of this morning.